Hello everyone. Today I will show you how I made my boxes for vegetables, so-called raised beds. I want to plant vegetables, and I made these small greenhouses and 2 open boxes for different vegetables. As you can see, it can be closed in this way. It is very practical. First, we start with cleaning the grounds. Here was a neglected garden once upon a time, and now only weeds and grass grow. So I decided to rearrange and make myself a small greenhouse. I had a little problem with this marble stone. It must have been over 250 kilos. I could barely manage with the levers somehow to move it. I admire the Egyptians, how they moved those huge blocks. Now I take some soil to level and fill the holes. I use this soil where I throw all the leftovers from vegetables, fruits and everything that is decomposable, and I got an excellent soil full of minerals. I'm going to pour a few wheelbarrows of soil to level it out nicely. Now, let's start with the boxes. I will show you in a quick way how I put it together and determine according to the size of my garden how many boxes will be. The size is 3 meters long, 90 centimeters wide. If you want to see how I filled the boxes, you have a detailed video on my channel of how I make raised beds. Now we start with the greenhouses that I made and covered with transparent nylon. Now we move on to the foil. I attached it with a stapler, the easiest way, and it holds the best. Now, I will make a roll of foil that will serve to close the greenhouse. Do you like this way of making a greenhouse? Now it's March and the sowing is slowly moving. So I plan to add something in the future to adapt to each vegetable. It is very practical to close it whenever you need it.